Hey, I'm from الفرديس. Do you need any help? I can help you.
Casting village? No, stay away from.
No, trust me. I just want to help you.
No, just don't get close to me.
It's kind of dangerous here. We are in the middle of the street. We should move from here.
I don't know. Maybe.
Your hands, they are so dirty. You want to wash them?
Yes.
Come with me. This is a fish shop. You can wash your hands here. Paris is very famous in fishing.
Okay.
Hello.
Can she wash her hands?
Yes, welcome.
Can't put the bike here.
Safety here. Nobody stole it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Can you put the bike here? Hi Camila, how are you doing?
I'm fine, but I'm in a hurry right now because I have a lesson to young leaders and I want to catch it in time.
Okay, see you.
See you.
You also have hummus in this village?
Yes, do you want to try it?
Is it good here?
Yeah, it's a famous restaurant.
Okay.
المهم أنا مرحبا عم أبو علي. A lot of tourists come here to taste our food or to buy fish.
Really? Amazing.
Did you ever try hummus food?
I tried it once, but I don't remember where and when.
Welcome to our restaurant. And of course, our restaurant is the one of the best restaurants here. All the restaurants here is so good, and we have a hummus food is traditional food here in our.
We are so hungry. Can you bring the food, please?
Of course. So do you like it?
Yes, I didn't expect it to be this good.
So you didn't tell me your name yet. What's your name?
My name is Laura.
Oh, it's a nice name. I'm Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
I'm 14.
Is it for real? I'm 14 too.
Really?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Tel Aviv.
Tel Aviv? It's so far from here. What were you doing alone in front of the village?
I know. Unfortunately, I got lost while going sport.
Oh, that's really bad. Did you try to call someone of your family?
I couldn't because my phone is dead.
Oh, you can use mine.
Okay, thanks. Hey Dad, I got lost while I was doing sport. I ended up in front of Paradise Village. Yeah, I'm scared. My bike broke down. Okay, come and get me. Thanks, hurry up. He's coming after 2 hours.
It's okay, let's go on a walk in the village. Oh, I'm so thirsty.
Me too.
You know what? Give me a second. Come with me.
This is your house?
No, it's not my house. Everybody's friendly here. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Can you bring us some water, please? We're so thirsty.
Of course, come in. مالك خلاص. Take a seat. I'm going to bring you some water.
Is this your friend?
No, she's not. Everyone is friendly here. We're like a one big family.
Welcome.
Thank you.
It's clean water?
Oh, actually, it's from sea.
Thank you for the water.
You're welcome. Sorry, it's so noisy here because a lot of people visit my mom because she's going to Mecca.
Oh, really? Hajja mabruka.
Thank you. So, what's your name?
I'm Ryan.
You are from the village?
Yes, I'm from the village. And this is Laura, she's not from here. Today, her bike broke down at the entrance of the village.
Where are you from?
Tel Aviv.
You're not afraid?
Afraid?
Because everyone says that we are dangerous here, but we eat well and drink. I made a cake yesterday. I will bring it.
صور الكاميرا من هون ايش الكاميرا
I told you that we eat well.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Delicious. How do you make it?
Hey Rosa, can you come with me to my lesson?
No, I want to help my mother.
Okay.
What's lesson?
Sayan Coco's project.
Can you explain about the project?
Okay.
Oh, this is my friend Saba. She's an artist and she will have a gallery. Let's go and see what is she doing.
Let's see.
Hi Saba.
Oh, hi Ryan, how are you?
I'm fine. When does the gallery start?
It will start next week.
We're gonna be there.
Okay, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
13 and gallery?
Yes, during an interview.
Oh, nice.
Can you show us some of your art?
Yes, of course.
Wow, amazing.
They are so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wonderful. You're drawing it alone?
Yes.
Okay, is it still closed?
Yeah.
Did you finish reading the last book you took?
Yes.
What book did you take?
Romeo and Juliet for Shakespeare.
Do you love him?
I love Shakespeare. He's one of my favorite writers.
I don't like him very much.
Why? He's so amazing. He added new words to the English language, and he wrote a lot of different kinds of novels and plays.
Oh wow, you know so much about him.
Okay, see you later.
See you.
Bye.
And there's my school.
Oh yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah. It's so big.
Yeah. The weather is so good today. And you know what? When I feel confused or stressed, I come here and sit here under this tree.
Really?
Yes. Actually, I love this place.
Yes, it's a nice place.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, welcome.
Wow, it's a modern library.
Yeah.
Is Ru'a here?
No, she's not. Do you need any help?
No, I just want to borrow a book.
Okay.
Oh wow, what is this?
This is a sculpture that talks about Arab culture.
Exciting.
We have a lot of books here.
Yes.
Oh, I like this box. I read it once.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, this is Aisha. I want to ask her about her game.
Okay.
Hi Aisha.
Hey Ryan.
How are you?
Fine.
Do you have a game today?
Yeah, I'm going to train now. You know, this game is very important. If we win, so we'll get the first place.
Oh, you also have basketball team in this village?
Yeah, of course. Not only basketball, but also football, karate, swimming, and a lot of different kinds of sport.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, sport is very important here, for girls and for boys.
Breaking.
See you.
Goodbye.
I want to give this book to my brother.
Oh my God. I can see why. شايفي ليه? Yeah, I can see why.
Yeah.
مش راح يا أبين.
ناشي بدوني شي يبين شكلهن.
استنى نشوف. بدي أصور أحط الكاميرا هيك بدي أشوف بطنتين لسه عم تحكي.
Look at the sea. One of the most important things in this village is the view of the sea.
Yeah, I can see why. It's important.
Would you like to see the sea and the fishers?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Hey Ryan, how you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
All of this.
This is fishing tools. We use them to fish.
Girls and fishing?
Yeah, all my family going to fish.
Okay.
Okay, Adan, see you.
See you.
Let's go back to the village. I'm sure that your dad had arrived.